I've been working all week on a new folio that I've created, and it is going to come together today, I think. I'm about to cut up all the pieces, but I wanted to show you what comes in the kit beforehand. So this is the folio base, and it has the same backing paper. So those both come in the kit. This is the right flap, and one of the windows and one of the pockets. And just to show you an idea, this is a earlier prototype, so it will end up looking like this. And so this pocket is going to go here, and these windows are going to go here. And I'll get a full one put together that you'll see in the tutorial. Same backing paper for that one, and then the left flap and the window and the round pocket. Okay. And then these are journal cards and fussy cuts to go in some of the pockets. On the back of the journal cards for this one, I have put a backing paper that is gridded, so you can write on those. Then this one is a journal card, a tag, and 2 bookmarks. And I created a backing paper for these so that there'll be some old paper with some old writing on it, and one has music on it. Then some library pockets. And finally, the pockets. These 2 pockets are going to overlap in the final, and then 2 extra windows in case you want to choose something different. So I will go cut that up, and then I will do a tutorial on putting it together. Okay, I wanted to give you a quick overview of the pieces, and I'm going to walk through the assembly instructions, and then I will go off camera again and do the gluing and show you what the finished product looks like. So these are the journal cards. These are the 2 pocket pieces. One of them is not right. There we go. It's the other way. Yeah, there we go. These are the 2 pocket pieces, and I'll show you where they go into the assembly. The tag, these are 2 pockets. Okay. And then these are going to be the ones that I use for the windows, like this. And I'm going to keep these ones. I cut them out and I decided to use them not as the windows because they're blank on the back, so I can use them as more journal spaces. These are the bookmarks, and I forgot to put these in the picture originally. Okay, and these are the library pockets. So we'll go through the assembly part. So these are the 2 flat pieces, and this is the base. Okay, the base is the same on both sides. It does not matter which side you do it on. All right, I have done a score down the center, so eventually it will be able to fold in half. And then I have scored these. This one on this side, I have scored right here at this part of it, and then 1/4 inch in. Okay, and it's going to go right under here and get glued so that they're even. And then it will go up like this. Okay, and the other side. Oh, these are my fussy cuts. For this one, I scored right here again on this part, and then only 1/8 of an inch. And that's because eventually you have 2 choices when you want to do this. One is that you can just make it a folio like this, but I also made it with the 1/8 inch so that you can also do it this way and make it a little bit skinnier depending on where you're going to put it or what you want to use it for. All right, so there are all of those pieces, and this becomes your base for all of the other pieces. You can see them all here. Okay, so we will start in the middle, and that is where our windows go. So we're going to put one here and one here, like that. And then I will put two pockets, one here and one here. And you can put your journal card, you can put your extra round journal cards in there, or you can put in the longer journal cards. And these have the lined paper on the back. All right. And so then let's go to the right completely. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the way the library pocket works. So these two flaps fold down. I've scored them to make it easier. And then this flap folds up. It folds up and in, and then you glue these to the back. And then it is going to go right here. One there. And then the other one here. So like that. And so this is where I envision these going. 1, 2 little bookmarks, storage of bookmarks there. And then finally on this side are my two pockets. Keep going back and forth over what's the right way up. And so the pockets go on this right here, and you just overlap them until they fit. Okay, and then this is where I intend to store the rest of the ephemera. Can't do that now because it's not glued down. With these tiny fussy cuts, I thought they could make good decorations. Or labels, mini pocket, or you can make little notes on them. See, they have the paper on the back too. So these can be fun notes. And I wouldn't put them in any other pocket except for this one if I was going to store notes, just because this is much deeper. So now I'll go away and glue it all, come back and walk through all that with you. Okay, here's the final product. You can see that you can close it this way. You can, if you want to, there's enough space for it, you can close it this way. You could also put it up as a display, like standing up. It stands up nicely. So if you wanted to use that on a mantle or someplace else you use to just display your creative endeavors. Okay, and this is what it looks like on the inside. So that's final. Okay, and I'll go through each of these separately. So here we have those two pockets, and they are nice and tight. I put them on the corners. And inside these is where I put my journal cards, all 4 of them. And they turned out great. So there's my 4 journal cards. One of these I tried something with. I tried a musical piece on the back, but I am going to switch it just to these. So the graph paper on the back. And then you'll see I did the wonder and the butterfly here. Okay. And then here in this pocket, I did put on this little piece. It's a little pocket, so if I had something tiny, I could put it in there. I made some little pieces from my leftovers, and I could stick that in there if I wanted to. And then I have my tag, which I have not decorated yet. And of course, decoration is all up to you. And I have the window that I put there. So there's that. And then come down here. Then we have this one, which is another one of these stained glass windows. I like these because they turned out looking a little bit like a fireplace. And I put my remaining windows that I'm going to use as journal cards right there. And then the final end is these two library pockets. And in each one of them is a space to keep a bookmark. So there's one bookmark. I'll take them both out. And there's the other bookmark. And then I put the bee and the flowers over here. Okay. So that is this new kit. It will come out in two colors, this red color and a green color. And so kit 1 and kit 2 are on my site for sale right now. If you like tutorial videos or want to know more about how I design my products, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I put up new videos.